Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs with popular features and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2020 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.